Yeah, it hurts. It hurts.
Hurts.
Yeah. No, little. There's some slight thing. No,
This,
that hurts. Yeah.
that
Yeah.
hurts.
Yeah.
You become small.
Yeah.
This,
No.
this,
No.
this.
No.
Okay, now we will see. Now I give you one magician.
Okay.
Yeah, give me your beautiful finger. Beautiful finger and beautiful pen. Of it? No?
No.
Oh, very brave woman.
Brave. I'm a Kodwa.
Oh, great.
Kodwa woman.
Kurwa woman. I like Kurwa woman.
Yes, they're better than the men for sure.
What?
Nothing.
Nothing. Really? It's called magic.
Yeah, seriously, it's called magic. Please teach me also. This is magic. What is this, really?
Yeah.
I won't come back?
No. Now how you feel your finger?
It's not feeling stiff.
Yeah, absolutely normal.
Oh, wow.
Now press one more. I can.
No, there's not little bit.
Little, yeah. 1%.
Yeah.
They have one technique. The source of the disease. We know. Then it's very easy.
Wow.
This is also not gout. 110% not gout. We can say just beginning rheumatic arthritis.
It is.
Yeah,
Okay.
beginning. In this situation, if you can't do like this therapy, it's totally gone.
So how do I keep it gone?
Now it's depend of your lifestyle.
Okay.
If you eat too much sour items,
Okay.
it's become. If you careful sour foods, then it's not
No sour
concerned.
food,
No
basically.
sour food, not totally. Less,
Okay.
70% less.
So no lime, tamarind.
Yes, less, not
Yes.
now.
Okay.
Less, 50% less.
Okay.
And okay, now check. Is there pain?
No, there's no pain.
Before?
No pain.
Before how much
Yeah.
pain?
Before it was paining.
Yeah.
When you pressed
Before
it.
when I press, your body become small.
Yeah. No, there's no pain now.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So you're a magic doctor.
Yes.